Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video we are going to talk about AktivTrak. We are going to focus on pricing, comparing to other similar agents, and I'll tell you more about it, and we'll try to show you how to get into it and ask for a demo or free version of this agent. So, what is it? AktivTrak is a single agent cloud native behavior analysis solution used to increase productivity, streamline operational efficiency, and harden security. The software is affordable, easy to use, and quick to install. Start data analyzing within minutes of sign up. AktivTrak is a purpose-built to analyze organizational trends in productivity. Enable management teams to uncover hidden productivity killers that you and your team may not be aware of. Automated reports, flexible productivity settings, and granular reporting deliver immediate transparency with precise detail. Whether your team is remote or in one office, you'll have the tool and information available to gain a handle on what's going on. AktivTrak provides the tools and visibility to efficiently manage remote teams as if you are all sitting in the same room. It's made mostly for small, medium, and large businesses, not really individuals. They are located in Austin, Texas, and you can run it in your web browser and also install it in your Windows or Mac PC, even run it in your Android or iOS mobile device. For pricing, we are looking at freemium, which is a free way how you can enjoy AktivTrak. It's $0 per user a month. You can obtain a visibility into productivity of a small team. It's up to 3 users. And the features are activity dashboard, top application report, top website report, top users report, top categories report, and many, many more. So already this first option, where you are not paying a single penny, is packed up with features. Then we have advanced, everything in free plus, but you have unlimited or 5 users minimum, team productivity pools, and many other options. Then premium, which is $15 per user a month. Users are unlimited, but 5 users minimum. Basically, what you get in here is add-ons. Active Connect, it's plus $2 per user a month, and also way efficient and way nicer support. Then we have enterprise, but for this one you have to talk to them and you have to contact them to get a quotation. So how we can create the free account? We have to go in the top right corner and click on create free account. You can straight away sign up with Google or start with your name and country, password, and everything. But if you're running a Google account, like I do just for these purposes, you can easily sign up with Google. So sign up, and why does this not work? I'm not actually sure. Okay, that's not, let me check my email if I started something, but I don't think so. And we are going to go the original way. There is a phone number needed. Okay. Okay. organization. Let's go like this. Let's use other email so they don't have a problem with that. And let's go and find Slovakia. That's where I'm from, and a really nice way how to find out if they are thinking about Slovakians or smaller countries. And it looks like we're in. Okay, never. Got it. Welcome, you've been upgraded. You've been upgraded to your premium plan for free for the next 14 days. Enjoy a 100 user license, unlimited data storage, and access to premium insights like yada yada yada, many more. Okay, let's go next. And also they created a video, but let's not watch it. Okay, we are successfully in. This only took us like how many? 2 minutes. You don't even have to go back and activate it through the email, which I see is pretty nice way, because all of those email can take hours to deliver. So that's most certainly very nice thing. Then we have activation. You can install it on your device, or you can share the installation file. So it's more than enough just to one person to go in and actually install or actually log into AktivTrak from the whole team, and then just get the link for macOS or Windows, and you just copy the link, and link is copied to clipboard. I really like the UI. They did a great job, and easily when you click on download agent, yeah, it started already to download, but let's do it in a different video. So we have the activation, then we have the coach, introducing AktivTrak coach, then some insights from AktivTrak team, live reports from top users, productivity, working hours, top websites, top application, categories, and active log. Also, we have the integrations, which are quite mandatory in those kind of apps. At the moment, we have only Salesforce that we can integrate, which is quite common even in Slovakia. But if you want to get more, you have to request a quote or request a demo, and you will be allowed to integrate way more than just the Salesforce. But also, if it doesn't work like that, you can always go to Zapier and integrate it through Zapier with the API. Then we have alarms, also the settings, latest updates, help, and the logout, which is pretty normal. Like nothing too special, nothing too spicy. You know. And on the top right also you have your account. So this M there, if you're named Adam, that's going to be A, or if you're going to log in with your company, it's going to be name of the company or the first letter. We have our account, AktivTrak profiles, latest updates, quite the easy way around. Obviously, you will need some time, and your team will need some time to get in and to basically find out how to work with AktivTrak. But I don't think that it will take that much of a time. If you have any questions about AktivTrak, how to log into your freemium or how to get a quotation, please leave a question underneath this video and I'll answer it as quickly as possible. I'm even open to creating more videos about AktivTrak, so let me guys know what you think. And yeah, Thanks for watching and see you in the next videos. Have a great day and goodbye.